Hi there, I'm going to show you two ways that you can attach a sled like this rogue sled to a very thick piece of rope like a battle rope or an old fire hose. I get this question a lot on how do I attach the rope that does not have some kind of a D-ring or a carabiner attached to the sled, and I'm going to show you two ways. So the first way and the easiest way, of course, is a pre-made strap that has a carabiner. All you need to do is clip it on to the sled somewhere, and now you're good to go to pull off in the direction that you need. Now this other way I'm going to show you works just with a single piece of continuous webbing and with or without a carabiner. So this kind of continuous webbing, in the fire stations we have things like this. It's called a hose strap. It's kind of where I got the idea to attach it like this, but we do want to attach it to something that doesn't have a pre-made D-ring attached or doesn't have a hole in it. There's no way to attach a carabiner, so we're going to use this strap. And I do want to tell you that I do prefer attaching thick battle rope to the sled to pull with that. I like the added challenge of having to use your grip strength and your upper body to pull and support the load as you drag the sled, whether you're pulling hand over hand with the rope or even just over one of your shoulders, but it does take you hanging on and grabbing on as opposed to just putting the straps on like a backpack or clipping it into your belt. So this is way more functional, and again, it builds a lot of grip strength, and I love to use it for the sled. So I'm going to show you how to attach that type of rope or even a thick hose to a sled like this by using just this continuous strap. So the first thing you're going to need to do is floss this through the eyelet, wherever your attachment point is. So you pop it up and through, and then bring the other end of the strap through there. You end up with what's called a girth hitch. It's better than wasting a whole bunch of rope tying a knot. So now we have this continuous loop. So I'm going to show you two different ways, two different knots that you can use to attach this rope. The first one is using the clove hitch. So you're going to take a loop, take a second loop, and place those two loops one on top of the other and floss whatever it is, the hose, the rope, right through that. Tighten it down. This will tighten on itself, so the more that you pull on the rope, it should cinch it down. But as you can see, that's plenty secure. That's the way that I attach it most of the time. Here's a second way I'm going to show you, and this one is called a girth hitch. So this one is you take this continuous loop, bring the loop towards you, and it's going to create two more loops once again. Bring those loops open, pass the rope or the hose through, cinch it down so that it's all the way tight. You need constant tension so that the tension will hold it in place, and you could drag it that way. And the way that I use this most often is actually with a carabiner. So just using this continuous strap, I will use it with a carabiner, just having the carabiner already attached. I'll clip that on, really easy. And then I like to use the clove hitch to put this on the rope. Once I have that clove hitch in place, cinch it down nice and tight. It's ready to go, ready to pull either over my shoulder or hand over hand. So I hope you found this helpful. Hope you found it useful. Apply it, let me know how it works for you, and hit me up with some more questions so that I can answer those for you right here on the channel. Thank you.